Hello guys, so today with me I have this friendship bracelet making kit with this storage box that you can see. This was sent to us at no cost, so I'm just going to be sharing everything from our own experience using it. As you can see, the kit folds up neatly into a little storage case. All you need to do is just push it down and snap it shut right here. And to open it back up, very easy. All you need to do is just lift again this little blue latch. It pops open and it opens into 4 tiers. So it's super easy to open, super easy to close. Inside you get everything kids need to start making bracelets. As you can see, we've got the colorful threads, we've got clasp ties, and we got this for my 9 and 10-year-old daughters. Also comes with this fun stickers so they can use these to decorate their creations or the box itself. It's such a fun kit and my kids were immediately into it. It's perfect for crafting at home or even bringing along on a trip. Definitely recommend it. I'm just so in love with how colorful the threads are and everything that comes with it.